Hey guys, this is Bruce, and I want to introduce you guys to a new book that's going to be free here real soon. Right now, it's only 99 cents. And the reason why I do this is to get reviews. Reviews really helps you on the algorithm of Amazon. So, for a limited time only, this book is free. Now, for those of you who responded to me early, you already have a copy of this book, and it's walking you through how to use AI prompt engineering to improve your career in NIST 8 in risk management framework, I should say, NIST 800 risk management framework, and also how to use it to your advantage, how to create templates, how to get more information from AI. AI is really amazing. It's like having a gigantic brain that's going to help you to be even better at your career, or if you're not in this career, actually to learn it. So let me give you an example of this. So here I am on ChatGPT, GPT-4 to be exact. Now you can use this on Bard. You can use it on Bing Chat. It works on all of these. Some of the prompts are better on ChatGPT, and in the book I explain that. So one of the things about it is that if I was to say to give me a breakdown of the NIST 800, right? This doesn't need a book to explain this. This is all there. But what does need a book is that sometimes it's wrong. So you can't always rely on it. So me as a subject matter expert, what I did was I took it and said, okay, how could I use this? I know that it hallucinates. I know that it has some wrong information, but what could I do to leverage this to make my skill set better, to articulate exactly what I'm trying to say with risk management framework? And also, what are some of the pitfalls? Because there's a lot. You can't really use this with sensitive information. So what I do is I emphasize you can't use it for this sensitive information from the government or wherever, but what you can use it for is X. So right now what it's doing is it's breaking down all of the main documentation that we need to know about with risk management framework NIST 800. And what this is doing right here, right off the bat, is if you were to be familiar with many of these items, with the exception of a couple here, it would help you out with something like the CGRC certification. And that's another thing I do is I have a few prompts in there that's going to tell you, hey, if you use this prompt, this will help you with this certification. That's a GRC certification. So that's another thing that's in this book. This is a really good one, and you guys are in the right place at the right time as far as getting this thing for free or for 99 cents for the price of your review, of your positive review. So let me show you here. Let me do another demonstration here. NIST, show me, and I have way better prompts in the books about this to enhance your learning and go deeper into risk management framework. I go into each one of the steps of risk management framework and how it can help you out and how to cut out all the hallucinations that it has. Show me the NIST 837 steps, and it's going to summarize it for you. It's going to summarize the NIST 837 steps here. Let's see. So here it is, breaking down the steps. It says 6 steps. Okay, so right now, here's what I want to show you. Is this hallucinating? This is not right. This is not correct. So you might be thinking, well, Bruce, why would we use this if it's not correct? Well, I would say 85% of it is correct. However, it's pulling from the wrong revision. So we have to explain what revision to pull from. And the reason why it's pulling from the wrong revision is because when this thing was created, when it was learning from the internet. And at the time, most of the documentation that refers to the risk management framework 800, NIST 800, was referring to the first version of NIST 837, which was Rev 1, and that one only had 6 steps. Now there's 7 steps and there's different control sets. So what I do in the book is explain, okay, how do you write a prompt if you wanted to do risk management framework 837 Rev 2, and how to get the best information from that set of information from using that prompt, using AI. So that is what the book is about. It's not too long of a book. It's pretty straightforward, and as usual, I'll have downloadables and other things that you can get to from the book. This is a part of a series I'm doing. I don't know how long I'm going to go with this series, to be honest with you. I've just been playing with AI to try to enhance my own career, and so the stuff that I've learned, I put it in this book, and by the end of it, my hope is that you will, if you're not already into NIST 800, it will actually teach you about it and show you how to use AI to learn and go deeper with this. If you're already in this field, it'll show you things that you can do to actually enhance your career, to do things like implementation statements better, or to scrounge scrape things from the internet to get even more information from using AI. So that's it, guys. This thing is out right now. It's free on Kindle right now. After this, if you watching this much later or early somehow, it's going to be 99 cents on Kindle. And it's going to be for a limited time only, and maybe for about a couple weeks or so, like that, and then it's going to be back to its normal price. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.